Okay, so I have here my two JBL Flip 5s, and so we can connect these two together with the PartyBoost feature here that they both have. And so here first, the one speaker is already connected here to the smartphone here, now enabling PartyBoost on both. And now we can select here if you want to play here in the PartyBoost mode or in stereo. I'm going to start with stereo and then we're going to compare these two, okay? So selecting here stereo, and now let's go here to the app, and this is a binaural audio recording, so use your headphones so you can listen really well how this sounds like. We're going here 50% volume, just about 50%.